India, an incredible land with diverse experiences. A land where the rising sun blends history, tradition, and culture with new age ideas. Billions of people walking the path of progress, crafting their own destiny each day. Their dreams as big as their appetite for culinary experiences. From the serenity of Indian kitchens to the chaos of street markets, busy modern outlets to fine dining experiences, India offers a gastronomical feast for the senses. But wait a minute, for all of this, India needs a lot of fuel.
I'm Shantanu Atavale.
Hi, my name is Mahan Shetty.
I'm Rajesh Parekh.
So, hi, I'm Sanket.
Hi, good afternoon, Sir Manish.
We produce about 1.5 ton every day, so 26 working days, about 32 to 33 tons.
I run this place called Piyato Desert Studio in Kalyani Nagar, Pune. My father owns an hotel in Baramati as well, which is a 26-year-old property. It's bar, restaurant and lodging as well. It's a 300-cover restaurant with 25 rooms in it.
We have been in Mithai business as the brand of Bhavnagari from last 120 years. If you see my capacity, we are about 500 kilos a day we can manufacture.
The owner of Tiranga Bhuvan, Kothur. We specialize in biryanis and non-veg, mostly mutton. So on an average per day, we serve almost 500 people here.
Total experience in 20 years in different countries, just like Costa Rica as a restaurant chef or head chef, in Saudi also, Korea also, and now I am in a Western Pune.
I wasn't very comfortable working with LPGs. So we shifted here and we started using LPGs. There was a lot of wastage, a lot of hazards, a lot of cylinder disposals, a lot of cylinder exchanges, and everything was irrelevant and very non-transparent basically. You cannot see how much gas is wasted in LPG cylinder. You can just judge, you can weigh, you can say 1.5 kg is wasted.
It's a busy day or a season time. The flow of the gas impacts a lot. So then you again have to keep it in a hot water, or you change the gas, or you some of the other things which you have to do for the flow to be there. Otherwise the order piles up, like because it's a big restaurant and it's an old restaurant. We face that issue, so we have to be the backup should be ready immediately. At the end of the day, customer is not going to wait because your cylinders are freezing or there's some issue with the flow. So yeah,
the biggest problem that we face in LPG is that say cylinder never becomes 100% empty. Whenever the cylinder guy comes and takes it back, we are not sure is it partially filled, partially empty, or how much is he taking back. So even when he delivers the cylinder to us, we have never got a check on how much kgs of the cylinder is actually. So the bill shows it is 19 kg cylinder, the commercial one, but we have never been able to actually get to the correct bottom of this thing problem. How to check is it 19 kilos or no?
Years I've been in the business, it's always used to be very, dirty or wet, and there are certain practices that goes on, and so it was quite unhygienic and unapproachable. While in the operation hours, changing the gas was a bigger task, flame running low, and then one of the staff had to run and change the cylinder, or maybe.
Industries are always focused on cost reduction because profitability really comes from there rather than selling price of the product, because there's so much competition that you can't really sell your finished product at a price that you would like to. One of the important costs is, of course, fuel. There are several types of fuel, where primarily there is electricity, then firewood, coal, and such other what are presently called dirty or polluting fuels. And that includes diesel, petrol and fossil fuels, which could also be in the boiler fuel which we were previously using, furnace oil. Terrible.
So many problems is very common, just like gas leakage, gas in frozen. सब जगह ये चीज़ें मिल रही हैं, उसके बाद फिर इसमें थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम ये रहता है कि हमको पता नहीं चलता, अगर हम कुकिंग भी कर रहे हैं तो फ्लेम अप एंड डाउन जाता है, जिसकी वजह से कुकिंग में प्रॉब्लम्स काफ़ी नहीं आती। जो फाइनल से चलना चाहिए, प्रोडक्ट से बनना चाहिए, वो प्रोडक्ट नहीं निकल पाता। उसके बाद ऐसी प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं कि वो सारे गेस्ट हैं, रेस्टोरेंट में खड़े हैं और बल्क में काम करना है, बैक टू बैक वर्क है, तो उसमें कई बार गैस जम जाती है, वेदर कोल्ड है, गैस जम गई तो उसे फ्लो प्रॉपरली नहीं आ पाता, जिससे प्रोडक्ट प्रॉपरली निकल नहीं पाता। तो कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें बननी चाहिए जो सेफ्टी के साथ साथ प्रोडक्ट के लिए भी अच्छी हो।
There's almost a 5 kg to 2.5, 3 kg of gas which gets wasted because it freezes. You have to put it in a hot water so that the gas in it is released and then use it. But then too, you don't completely utilize it. It's maximum wastage which happens, and you can't control it because you can't completely use the gas. So you have to keep a lot of backup for your gas. Like if you're using a gas bank of 5, you have to keep backup of 5 gas bank just so that कुछ भी कम खत्म होता है तो then you have to use that one. So the space occupied for the gas bank is also pretty much high.
Pilferage factor, we don't know, my karigar or my staff may have got some connection with the gas cylinder wala who may be working hand in glove. So they must be, अरे आप खाली दे दो ना, मैं आपको समझा लूँगा. So that kind of things are still happening. So we want some system where the accountability of the cylinders has to be with the factory over there. So someone has to monitor that. So if there is some monitoring system for cylinders, that will be a very beneficial factor to us.